Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the store origin of iTunes because removal differs if it came from Apple. Once done, make sure you're signed into an administrator account. This avoids permission roadblocks. Open Start and Type settings, then navigate to Apps and Installed Apps. You're taking the first actionable step now. Locate iTunes in the list. If you don't see it, sort or search iTunes in the Installed App search box. This ensures you're removing the correct package. You now perform the uninstall. Find iTunes and click the three dots to open options. Choose Uninstall and confirm any system prompts. The Microsoft Store mechanism will remove the app and its store-managed files. While it runs, make sure there are no pending Windows updates because those can block installer tasks. Pause or finish updates first if needed. If a progress dialog appears, wait until it completes. Once the store finishes, you'll often be prompted to restart. Do that to finalize file cleanup. You finish by verifying removal. Open File Explorer and inspect program files and app data for leftover iTunes or Apple folders. Delete only if you don't need backups. If uninstall failed or iTunes still appears, you can remove the store package using PowerShell with Remove Apps package, or try settings apps optional features for related components. One key troubleshooting tip. Run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter from Settings Troubleshoot. It detects and fixes common store uninstall problems. Then
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.